there, this is attorney Sarah Holmes of Holmes Business Law PC. We are a business and trademark law firm located in Philadelphia and the suburbs. One question we often get from clients is, what is a trade secret? Do I have trade secrets in my business? If I do, how would I protect those? So trade secrets can be really complicated. It can be things in your business that if a competitor got a hold of them, they could really set up another business or use them in a way to compete with you and divert business from you. So for most business owners, the biggest trade secrets they have are things like their customer list, the identity of their customers, how to contact them, their buying history, or any other like proprietary information that you know about your customers. Certainly those are trade secrets. It could be the identity of your vendors and any vendor pricing. It could be, one really obvious example is if you own, for example, a restaurant or a bakery, and the recipes are a really big trade secret. In fact, probably one of the most well-known trade secrets is the formula to Coke. Not known as if people know the formula, but an example of a trade secret. The formula for Coke is locked in a vault somewhere where very few people in the company even have access to it or know where it is. That's a heavily guarded trade secret. So in your business, the best way to protect trade secrets is to actually keep them secret, which sounds obvious, but a lot of people don't really understand what that means. So again, like going back to the bakery example, if you have recipes that you don't want to get out because they're a trade secret, what you would do is literally keep them under lock and key. For example, you don't let your head cashier have access to the recipes. You don't have them sitting out on a counter where any of your staff can see them. You don't let the wait staff have access to them. The only person that should have access to those recipes is your baker, because really that's the only person that needs to know them. You could have something like a sign out log where every time someone accesses the recipes, they have to sign for it. The rest of the time it stays in a locked drawer where nobody has access to the key except maybe the owner or the manager. That's really treating your materials as a trade secret, like you are taking affirmative steps to keep them secret. Now, if anyone were to steal those trade secrets, what they can't say in defense is, hey, you didn't bother to keep it secret. You were posting recipes on Instagram. You showed videos of how you made these things. Because obviously, to the extent that you do those things, you really are going to have a hard time arguing that these are secret at all when you were the one that kind of went out there and exposed them to other people that didn't need to know them. So trade secrets can be very, very, very valuable for your business. It might be what gives your business most of its worth in the event that you want to sell it one day. And you should make sure you take steps to actually protect your trade secrets, such as keeping them on a need-to-know basis with staff, keeping things under lock and key, and very secure from other people. If you have any questions about trade secrets or other intellectual property in your business, you can feel free to reach out to our office. Our number is 215-482-0285. Thanks.